Hello guys, this is Khalid Siddiqui and welcome to Adobe After Effects tutorial 2025 and how to create a 3D motion graphic in Adobe After Effects without live action footage. So let's start. Create a new composition and select for practice. You preset HD 29 frame per second and set 5-second video right here. This is your final comp. Click OK. So after this, select the quality full and fit. Right click, create a new solid, and right here, element 3D. So you can find element 3D plugin, click on video description link, and go to effects. After installing element 3D plugin, go to effects menu, video copilot, select element 3D, and then go to scene setup. So click here and you can download Metropolitan Pack. You can find the link in video description. Download and after Element 3D plugin installation, then install the Metropolitan Pack for Element 3D. So there you can find the street. Let's see. There is the complete street with texture and everything. So click on environment, change the environment, something different. Something with skies and cities. Change the lighting to basic and click OK. So after click OK, right click, create a new camera, set the camera 20 millimeter, click OK. Select element 3D solid and go to group 1, go to particle replicator, select plan and set the number 13 or 15 and change the shape scale. Let's see from the top. Select the orbit camera and change the size. Enough. Okay, and now you can zoom out. Let's move the camera right there. Let's see from top, from here, and let's control. Hold Control key on keyboard to move slowly the rates. And now fix. Move it down and orbit the camera up and set down here. And now click again on Scene Setup. Time to add or import the Energy Can 3D model. Let's select the starter pack, select date color and move it up and set here. Change the size, select the scale, change the scale and select again. Move it down here and set there. Okay guys, so if you need to control individual, select soda can, drop down, change the group to, and click OK. Let's close the group 1, go to group 2, go to particle replicator and move the soda can here and move Ctrl Z front of the camera, set here and go to rotation and rotate. Let's see, let's rotate to see from another point, another view. Set here and rotate again. Set right there, rotate and sit here. Okay, and now zoom in, set the camera right there. Zoom in a little bit more and set. And rotate again. Sit here. Hold Control. Set the soda can here and hold Control. Move a little bit down and forward. Let me save the project first to desktop and save. And let's go back to where? Render setting. Turn on the ambient occlusion to turn on the shadow. There. Turn on the shadow to looks more realistic. Change the quality 16. Control the intensity of the shadow and control the lighting. Go to lighting, set cinematic lighting, and then let's add the sky. So, how to add sky? Double click and let's back materials, select the sky map, double click 4K, select this one, sky map. Turn off the import JPEG sequence, import, and close, drag and drop here. And now you can see the sky behind of the buildings over there. Great. Okay, and now you can animate the soda can. How to animate this? I need to move the camera first. I need to move the camera like this. Select the camera and press P for the position stopwatch. Go to second 2 and set the camera there. Let's play. Take a look. Close, expand, stopwatch, all of them. And go to second 2. Take a look. Starting from here. Go to second 2. Great. So, and now time to animate the soda can. Go to effect control, select element 3D, go to group 2, and there, hold shift, set here. Take a look. Minus 138. 138. Take a look. So after second 2, in 1 second, minus 138, set here, and then later with rotate. Select this point of the camera. Select again element 3D and set to 0. Select, press U for the keyframes. Select all of them, hold Alt. Don't press Alt button on keyboard. So go back to setting, turn on the motion blur. From here, turn on the motion blur, select all of them. Play. Great. and move the camera a little bit more. Select the orbit, set the camera here. Play now, set here, and zoom in. Play, nice one. Okay guys, so if you need to add the light, right click, create a new solid. So right here, optical flares, and go to effects, go to video copilot, optical flare plugin. You can find the optical flare plugin link in video description. You can download that, install, click preset browser. There you can find different high quality light. Let's select this one. Click OK and change to that. So you can turn on 3D, turn on 3D, set the light here. Let's play now. Great. Select again and select move. Play again. Nice one. So let's render, go to preview. Let's find the preview and click on render. You can use this plugin for TV commercials. Nice one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe the video and support me on Patreon.